Hello students, today we are starting number system. So beta, first of all listen carefully. This is just the introduction of the chapter. All the counting numbers are called natural numbers. There is no end of natural numbers. We express numbers in figures as well as words. So we express numbers in figures as well as words. You have done it in your previous class also. So writing a number in figure is called notation. Notation means we are writing the number. We are representing the number by writing various digits. And writing a number in word is called numeration. You are writing a number in words, in lakhs, in crores. So today we will do various methods of numeration. So there are two systems of numeration. The first one is Indian system of numeration. All this you have done in your previous classes also. This is just recalling it. So beta, in Indian system of numeration there are various periods. So we start those periods. Let's start from right hand side. First period is ones period. Then it comes thousands period. Then comes lakhs period. And then comes crores period. So these are the various periods. Now, what the places come under these periods? In ones periods, there are three places: ones, tens, and hundred. In thousands period, there are two places, that is 1000 and 10,000. In lakhs, there are two places, lakh, 10 lakh. Same in crore, there are two places, crore and 10 crore. Now the second system is international system of numeration. So this system of numeration is used worldwide. Here the various periods are ones, then thousands, and then millions. In international system of numeration, the number of places in each periods are three. Like in ones, tens, hundred, and in thousand it is 1000, 10,000, and then 100,000. And in millions it is million, 10 million, and then 100 million. So what is the difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration? Like in Indian system of numeration, we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. But in international system of numeration, we have ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. These are the places. Now let us do comparative study. Comparative study of both the systems of numeration. So which two methods we have discussed? One was Indian and the other international. So beta, first of all we will write all the places of Indian system. In Indian system there are various places. This is ones, then tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore, and then 10 crore. And now in international system, what are the places? You can speak along with me. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, then million, and then 10 million, and then it is 100 million. So now let us compare. See the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. But up to here there is no difference between Indian and international system. But see the remaining places. This 1 lakh equals to 100,000. So it means 100,000 makes 1 lakh. Same way 10 lakhs make 1 million. 10 million makes 1 crore. And 10 crore makes, this is 10 crore. 10 crore makes 100 million. So here we have done the comparative studies of both the systems, and this will help you in understanding the system as well as finding the various values also. Now this all will help you to write a number in words. Suppose I have written a number, like I am not putting any comma here. I am writing a number like 2, 4, 6, 0, 8, 7, 9, 3, 2. Now let us write this number, represent this number in both Indian and international system. I will not write in words. I will just tell you how to write in words by putting commas. So beta, in Indian system, we know the various periods. So first of all, write the digits. 0, 8, 7, 9, 3, 2. Now let us divide these digits into various periods. Now the first period is ones period, then it is thousands period, then it is lakhs period, and then it is crores period. So whenever you write any system, first of all you have to write the periods, mention the periods only, not the places. Now it's easy to represent. It is 24 crore 60 lakh 87,932. Now let us speak it again. Yes, it is. Speak of 24 crore 60 lakh 87,932. Let's write the same number in international system. So in international system, tell me, every period contains how many digits, how many places? Yes, 3 places. So first of all, let us write the number again. 7932. So let us divide into periods, 3 places. So in every period there are 3 places. This first period is ones, then second period is thousands, and third is million. It means the number is 246,087,000. This 0 in this period has the place value 0. So the number will be read like 87,932. So these were the various two, means two systems of numeration. First one is Indian system and the second is international system. We have done the comparative study also. Now beta, let us do the rounding of numbers. This is the new concept, rounding of numbers. Why we need rounding of numbers? Actually beta, this helps in maintaining budget. Sometimes like we are going to market and we have to purchase something like that, and we guess the approximate value like 35, 75. So what we get the nearest amount, we collect the money accordingly. If 75 is required or something, so we get it 80 rupees we take in our pockets. Means rounding of numbers means writing a number in tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so there are various rules of rounding of numbers. So first one is to round off a number to nearest tens. Done in earlier classes also, so it will be easy to understand. Nearest tens. So first of all, to bache, you have to make half of this 10. Now half of tens. Half of 10 equals to 5. So whenever you round off any number nearest tens, just see that what is the half. Tens half is 5. So if the unit place is less than 5, then we will write 0 at unit place and no change in tens place. Our main concentration is on tens because we are rounding of a number into nearest tens. So tens place will remain same. For example, I have written a number 342. Now which is see, this is ones place. So 2 is less than 5. So what we have to do, there will be no change in this tens place. But this ones place, unit place will become 0. So this number will be rounded off to 340 because ones digit is less than 5. So always keep in mind when to round off tens, just see the number or the digit written in ones place. Now let's take one more example. Suppose 8,000. I am writing a number 8,243. Again here this 3 is less than 5. This is tens place. So what will be the number? It will be 8,240. Now if the unit place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then the tens place will be increased by 1. How? Like 7,200, it is 87. Now see here beta, this is tens place, this is 7. So 7 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 5. So the number will be rounded off to, yes, it will be 7,290. And if I have written a number like 895, now here this 5 is equal to 5. So if it is greater than or equal to 5, this tens place will be increased by 1 digit. So 89, if it is increased by 1, it will become 90. So here the number will be rounded off to 900. So this was very good question and I think it's clear also. So let's do the second rule, that is nearest 100. But the first rule is clear, it will also be very clear. Like half of 100 is 50. It means if the last two digits, compare the last two digits, if it is less than 50, then no change in hundreds place. For example, I'm writing a number like 627. Now see bache, 27 is less than 50. So there will be no change in hundreds place because we are writing a number, rounding off a number nearest 100. So it will become 600. Now if the last two digits are greater than or equals to 50, then increase hundreds place by 1. Very easy. Let's take one more example. 8300. Suppose I have written here 68. So see, this is more than 50. So means 100 place will be increased by 1. So it will become, now 68 is greater than 50. So the number will be 8400. Clear? Now nearest 1000. I hope it's quite clear. Now you tell me, if we have to round off a number nearest 1000, what will you do first of all? Yes, half of 1000. Half of 1000 means 500. It means we have to see if the last three digits are equal to 500 or greater than 500, then increase in hundreds place, otherwise no increase in 100 place. So what is the rule? If less than 500, then no increase in thousands place. Take one example. 24,375. So see these three places, these are less than 500. 375 is less than 500. So no change in 1000 place. So it will become, but it will become 24,000. So we have rounded off this number to nearer 1000. Now if I have written this number like 72,893. Now see the three places, these are greater than 500, means we have to increase 1000 place by how much? 1. It will become 73,000. Now let us take one more example. 78,000. No, I'll take 79,875. Now check these three places. What is this? Greater than 500. So bache, if it is greater than 500 means this 1000 place will be increased by 1. So it is already 79 here. So if you will add 1 in this number, it will become, what it will become? 80,000. So 875 is greater than 500. So it will become 80,000. Okay, now tell me, if I have written a number like 3,500, what will it become? Yes, it is equal to 500 is equal to 500. So the number will remain same or increased? Yes, it will be increased. 1000 place will be increased. It will become 4,000. So this is how we round off the numbers to nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. Now sometimes you are given to round off the sum. Round off the Sum means plus. Like round the sum to nearest. I'm taking one example only. Nearest hundreds. So there are two questions. Two numbers 455 plus 386. So we need to round off to nearest hundred. So bache, what will we do? We will check these. Half of 100 is greater than 50. So 455 will become 500. 386 will become 400. So 500 plus 400 is 900. It is sum. If you are told to round off a number, to round off the difference. Now round off the difference. It is nothing, same only. So round off the difference to nearest 1000. So the number is 6247 minus 3200. Now let us round off. So for 1000, half of 1000 is 500. So check, it is less than 500. So it will become 6000. It is less than 500. So it will become 3000. So the answer is 3000. Clear? Now if we have to find the round of the product, to nearest 100, you know how to write the number to nearest 100. 723 multiply 250. So half of 100 is 50. Check this number. It is 723. It will become, yes, 700, because less than 50. And this is 50 equals to 50 means it will become, yes, 300. So multiplication, we have done this multiplication in previous class many a times. No need to multiply in long, means no long multiplication is required. Just 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. But you have to multiply these two digits only and count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us read this number. Yes, in commas, it is 2,10,000. Now this was how to round off the product. Now round off the quotient. Okay, so suppose I have taken it as 950 divided by 235. Round of the quotient to nearest 100 I have taken. So 100 again. Yes, tell me. It will become 900 and it will become 200. So first of all, it means 900 divided by 200. You can do like this. These two zeros are cut by this. This is 9 by 2. But when we will divide 9 by 2, it will become 4.5. Now listen carefully. Whenever this number, now again round off this number. Now this number is 5. A number equal to 5 or more than 5, this next number will become round off to next, it will be increased, no? So 4 will become 5. So 4.5 rounded off to 5. Clear? Let's take more example. It is 93 divided by, suppose it is 25. So 93 will become 90, 25 will become 30. So 90 divided by 30 means 90 upon 30, 0 cut by 0, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 3. Let's take one more example. (286) divided by 25. Now you are told nothing whether to round off to nearest tens, 100. What you have to do, you have to see that these numbers are 3 digits. Check these 2 digits. Greater than 50, it will become 300, and this 25 will become 30. So 300 divided by 30, 0 cut by 0, 3 tens are 30. So our answer is 10. So the quotient is rounded off and it becomes 10.